Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the lighting in Dress to Impress. So if you want to switch between day and night mode in Dress to Impress, this tutorial will show you how you can adjust lighting settings to create the perfect vibe for your outfits, photo shoots, and competitions. So as you guys can see here, I'm currently on the day mode, and this is the day mode. You guys can see the vibes in here, and if you want to change it, you can just click on the setting on the left side, and this is the DTI settings, and at the very top you'll see the lighting options. There are two options, day and night, so I'm currently on day. If you want to change it, just click on the night button and close the setting. And as you guys can see, now it has different vibe. And now I'm currently on the night mode. You can see it looks different now. So that's pretty much all. You can change the settings to how you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.